I go fishing. Oh, easy. I'm gonna go park the truck. Watch the boat. Stay here. Stay. Look at her, Captain Nix. Watching the boat. She used to come chase the truck. She used to think I was always gonna leave her, I guess. So I used to just always keep her in the truck until, you know, but she's been wanting to come out early, so she's been sitting on the boat waiting for me. You watch the boat, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Nix, was this the one? Oh, you ain't getting me this time. Oh, no, no. Oh, hey. Hey, 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 hey. All right, there you go. You got it out. No, you're a little too big. You tell your buddy I'm coming for him. This is what he did to me. Right, Nix? Tell him. We're gonna get him.